we got my best friend.
I'm your best friend? Oh, high five. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by LIKEisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. So today, me and Dakota are doing our Halloween activity for the week. Eyeballs. And so today we're going to be making some fun Halloween treats. Majority of them, or almost all except for one, are no bake. But as you can see, we have everything else kind of. What is that? What is it? Tell them what it is. Marshmallows that we're going to be using for teeth. I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be making. Over here on this side, we're going to be making some pumpkins. We're going to be making some ghost bananas. We're going to make worms in dirt. We're going to be making some broomsticks. We're going to be making some apple mouth, some mummy hot dogs, and some ghost and bat sandwiches using these cookie cutters, and some witch hands. And that's about it, guys. And this is just a quick overview of everything that we're going to be using for today's activities. It is a lot of stuff, but most of it is stuff that we would eat on a regular basis anyway, so it's a win-win. Everything is already organized together for what's needed for each project, but I'll show you guys that as we move along. So I already have my oven over here preheating for the mummy dogs. We're gonna need a pan to put them on. So I'm gonna be using just this simple baked dish to put our mummy hot dogs on. You're gonna need hot dogs as well as some croissants. So we have our pizza, these are just croissants opened up. First thing you wanna do is roll them out.
Ooh, right now.
Yeah, we're only gonna do a few, so I don't even think we're gonna need all of this.
Mommy,
what,
Mommy?
And then you wanna use a pizza roller. And you're going to roll. Hold on, boo. You're gonna roll. Let me show you how to do it. So you're just gonna roll it into thin strips, okay? So you're gonna roll it. Hold on, boo. Let mommy keep helping you. Roll it. So mommy's gonna show you how to do one, okay? Uh-oh. Looks like it's starting to snap with this split here. So once you have your dough rolled into strips, you're gonna pull it up. Mommy's gonna show you how to do it first. And then you're just gonna wrap your hot dog up with the dough. Alright guys, so next up we're gonna do our wish broomsticks, which are super easy to do. You just need some Reese's cups, which we have already opened and placed down here. And you're gonna need some pretzel sticks. So I got this here. Alright, so you ready to do the wish broomsticks? Yeah! Alright, so we're just gonna be sticking the sticks in the middle. Hold on, let me show you how to do it. So you're just gonna push it down in there. Is it too hard for you? Now you gotta eat that one. You done stuck it up your nose. No, keep that one. Eat it. Eat it. Pretzel's good. Good. Sticks are done. Witch brooms are done. So what should we do next? Wanna do let's do the worm cups next.
Yay!
For our worm cups, you're gonna need, you can stand up, they just can't see mommy when she stands up. There we go. So for the worm cups, you're gonna need gummy bears, gummy worms. You're gonna need some brownies. You can do some brownies from scratch, boxed, or you can get them pre-made, which is what I did. I wanted the plain ones, but I couldn't find them. But the Cosmo part is gonna be covered up. And then you're gonna need to crush up some cookies. So we're gonna crush up some chocolate cookies, which are gonna be our Oreos. And then you can do some chocolate, or you can even do vanilla icing, but we're gonna do some Nutella. And then we have some decor. We have some tombstones, which you'll see a little later. We got some fingers. Show them the fingers, Pooh. And I thought we had something else. Oh, we have some spiders that I have to grab. I washed them, they're drying. So, oh, and you're gonna need some cups. I got these little clear party cups. So we're gonna do one for you. Maybe we should do Dad one. We're gonna do 3, so Dad can have one. Open your brownie, boo. Open your brownie.
Okay, that mine?
In the middle code. We're gonna put it face down, mush it together, and drop it in the cup. Push it down in there. You did that good, though, Pooh.
Thank you.
All right, so next up, we're gonna put a layer of Nutella.
That's good.
It's good. All right, so we have our brownies in the bottoms of our clear cups. Next, we're gonna do Nutella.
Me, mommy. Me.
You can do any creamy substance that you want. And we're gonna do a nice thick layer of that. Good job, baby. You did that, Pooh.
Yeah.
Okay, just enough. All right, so now that we have dirt, we have to have
Whoa!
worms. That's right.
Right, and make it.
All right, so let's get the worms open.
Yes, Mom.
So we're gonna get you a worm. We're gonna put some worms down in there.
That's me. Me have yellow.
I'm gonna throw another color for that is.
Tea.
That is that green and red.
Tea is red.
And those are the only options we have here. All right, that's all. And then we're gonna do, we got these fingers by Wilton.
You want mine?
Little fingers so nasty.
Yes, Mom. That baby is so nasty. I play all my world.
And then Mommy's gonna grab these spiders. Spider for babes. And this is how our dirt cups turned out. I think they look pretty darn good, guys. So this is how Coda's turned out. This is Mommy's. And then Dada has a worm and a spider. I think it looks super cute.
Mommy.
Do the oranges next.
Oh, not yay!
Alright guys, so next on our list are going to be our pumpkins. And those are going to be made using some cuties, which are something I would buy on a regular basis because Dakota loves these. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is peel our cuties, Dakota. Cuties are super easy to peel.
Yeah. Oh, no, me birdie.
You need me to start it off for you? Finish it.
Okay.
Alright, how many oranges do we have? Count our oranges. Hold on, let me line them up for you. Alright, go down the row. How many do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 oranges. Good job, baby. So now we gotta make some stems for our pumpkins.
That's Mom.
And to make our stems, we're gonna use some celery.
That's me.
Mommy has to cut off a piece. Oh, we could just use the ends of the celery, actually. They're already pretty thin. I don't eat celery, so I'm gonna use this piece of roller. You like celery?
No.
What we're gonna do now is stick the stems into the, so look, right in the hole at the top. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do the last one, boo. So those are how our cutie pumpkins turned out, guys. All right, and while we were doing those 3 things, our mummy dogs have finished baking. So we're gonna get those out and finish those up.
Yeah, Mommy. What, Mommy?
I see it. I didn't do that for you to eat it, girl. It's yours now. Uh-oh, and you dropped it. How many did we do? 4?
That's mine.
All right, so I got the cheese on. I'm gonna stick it back in the oven while it's off so that it can melt. Just for a few seconds. And the candy eyes are a little big, but they stuck onto our mummy dogs. Next up are apples and peanut butter mouths with marshmallows. All right, guys, so we're doing our apple mouths. We have our marshmallows, apples, and peanut butter. Alright, so we got all of our apples cut here. This is the goal, guys. And somebody is enjoying the extra apples. Tastes good. So next up, we're gonna do our banana ghost. So we're gonna go ahead and pull. Here, open this one. I don't know, because I don't eat bananas.
Me too.
Mommy's gonna put this down here, and Mommy's gonna cut it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is the top of our ghost. No, we're not gonna use this chocolate. We're using our chocolate mini pieces. We're gonna make eyes for our ghost. We use 2 pieces of chocolate for each ghost. So let Mommy show you how to do it, and then you do what I do, okay? So you're gonna make eyes for your ghost. So you're gonna do an eye right there, and an eye right there. You're just gonna push it down into there. So do yours. For the eye. It's kind of in the middle of his head. And then put one more right next to it. You make an eye. So what the other eye go on that side? Good job, baby. Good job. You got a googly ghost. He cute though. Aww. All right, Cole, what are we making now? Ghost, and what else? Baking sandwiches. So these are just really simple. I didn't even vlog that. It's just sandwiches, bread, meat, cheese. You can add your mayo, mustard, whatever, but I'm not gonna put any of that on here. So now what we're gonna do is you gotta make sure you put it on here to where you get the most use out of the piece. Hold on, Cole. I wanna make sure we get 2 sandwiches so you can push down real hard. These are just bat and ghost shaped cookie cutters. Yeah, that's yours. Okay, so hey guys, next thing we're about to do is some ghost strawberries, chocolate covered strawberries. So we're just gonna use microwave safe bowls, melt some of this chocolate. It's almond bark, Walmart brand. And we have white for the ghost, and then we're gonna use chocolate for the eyes. So,
got that.
I'm gonna break off.
Me.
And we're gonna do yours next. We need wax paper. All right, guys, we are back and we have our strawberry chocolate melted. So we're gonna just strip our strawberries and place them back on this wax paper. I'm gonna grab them by the stems. Hold it till it stops drizzling some. And then you wanna just place it on the paper. You know how to do that, Cole? You think you can handle that?
Yeah.
It's hot, so be careful. Get it on the side of it too. Good job.
Now.
Mix it up.
Yeah, I'll make it. Oh, you're hot. Hot, mommy.
Going for this, as I showed you guys earlier. All right, guys, so actually I just found a shish kebab thing I'm gonna use, so now mommy see if she know how to do it. So I'm gonna do an eye.
Mommy,
Hold on, baby, I'm gonna let you do it. Let mommy see how to do it first so I can help you. And we gotta do a little mouth. Okay, guys, let me show y'all what we got going on. Those are how mine's turned out. Dakota's gonna do hers eye, do another eye. You gotta do a mouth. Get some more chocolate, do a mouth. Good job, boo-boo. You did so good. You got one more to do. All right, so this is how everything turns out. I have them all lined up, so I'm gonna get them put on our board and voila. All right, guys, so this is how our delicious treats turned out. Our mummies, sandwiches, dirt, mouths, brooms, ghosts, pumpkins, and I used a little bit of candy corn for the fillers, and we have some shots of juice inside of these syringes as pretend blood. I think it came out super cute. If you give this a try, guys, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. What do you say, Coda? It's so good. You know how to use that? Put it in your mouth. You gotta push it in. Hey, Cole. You wanna watch a Halloween movie while we eat this? All right.